Okay, removing this brake cylinder is pretty self-explanatory. There's an Allen bolt right here at the 3/16 Allen head. You have a 24 millimeter bolt here with the nut on the bottom here, or 15/16. This hydraulic fitting up here is a 11/16. You take off, just unscrew it. I already got it loose, and take it off. Take this the rest of the way out. This is threaded under here, so you have to take that nut off. And well, here's the other one. It's got a nut up top. That's for the other side right there. You just take that off, and this thing will come right out. All right, now that you got it on your bench here, just take it. I'm gonna wipe this down just a little bit here. I'm gonna take this big nut off right here. This thing has been leaking for a while now, so I'm gonna take it apart, see if I can get some seals for it. It's been rebuilt before, so hopefully there's no damage up in there. Let's see how that does. There it goes. Yep, that's broke loose now. Bore feels fine in there, so everything else looks good. I ought to be able to get a new seal. A few more seals and reseal it. I'm gonna go ahead and take these seals out so I can see what kind of seals I need to get for this thing. Just got 2 seals up in there. Can't really see it too good, but there's a little lip on the back, on this bottom, so the lip is towards this side. This is just a little bitty raised edge there, just for reassembly. May need to know that. A little bit right there, maybe. Back side. Anyways, just gonna go in there like that with that seal. That goes just like that. All right, so that's that. A little O-ring right here. See, this one, it's gonna have a little, probably see it a little better, yeah. A little raised edge right there. I'll go ahead and take that nut off there. I believe there's a little seal right here. Maybe not. If anything, I'll just inspect it, make sure nothing looks out of place. There we go. There we go, perfect. That's hot. Yeah. Just a little O-ring seal right here. Alrighty. You need to know how that piece got a little taper right there. It's going to go towards the front of this cylinder here. Alright, I want to do a reassembly on this cylinder. Here's the seal kit right here. It's just 5 little seals. Show you how to repack this cylinder. Alright, we're going to start with this seal. It's got a little raised edge on one end of it, and that raised edge is going to go towards the back of this. It's in there. Probably one of the hardest little seals I believe I've ever put in. Thing's tough. Alright. That's pretty simple. Gonna go in just like that. Big O-ring. Got that little lip on this side right here. And it's gonna go towards this beveled in. Sit just in there like that. Got the little one. Alrighty. All right, I just got through getting this back reassembled. Just gonna show you how it's working, no leak. Alrighty, that ought to do it. Hopefully this other one don't start leaking anytime soon. It's been rebuilt before too, so. Anyhow, thank y'all for watching.